Today we will learn some further reactions which involve alkanes. Alkanes are involved in two types of reactions, substitution reactions and thermal or catalytic reactions. Let's discuss thermal and catalytic reactions first. So there are two main types of reactions. Firstly, we have oxidation, which involves incomplete oxidation of alkanes, in which carbon monoxide, water and carbon black, also known as soot, are the main products. And secondly, we have catalytic oxidation, in which an alkane is oxidized in the presence of copper, which acts as a catalyst at a high temperature of 400 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 200 atmospheres to produce an alcohol. The second reaction is your basic combustion reaction, which involves the oxidation of an alkane in the presence of an excess of oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. The second type of reactions involving alkanes are substitution reactions. In this, we have two main types of reactions. Firstly, we have the nitration reaction, in which an alkane reacts with nitric acid at a high temperature of 450 degrees Celsius to produce a nitroalkane and water. In this case, we have nitromethane. The second substitution reaction which alkanes undergo is halogenation, which involves the reactions of halogens in UV light and a high temperature. The order of reactivity of halogens decreases from fluorine to iodine. The halogenation reaction involves three steps. Firstly, we have initiation, which involves the hemolytic cleavage of the halogen bond to form two free radicals of halogens. Secondly, we have the propagation step, which comprises of two parts. In the first part, the halogen abstracts a hydrogen atom from the alkane to produce an alkane radical. In the second step, the alkane molecule abstracts a halogen atom from a halogen molecule, resulting in the formation of an alkyl halide and a halogen radical. The last step is known as termination, which involves the combination of two free radicals. And one thing to remember is that termination always involves the combination of two free radicals. This can help you identify termination reactions in MCQs. We are finally done with the topic of alkanes.